To set up Cat Observer to record and send emails, we need to ensure the relevant version of Cat Observer is installed and already have the email features of Cathexis Vision set up. Then we need to set up Cat Observer as a camera and also have a database that it can record to. And then finally set up analytics on another camera that has an event that triggers an action that causes Cat Observer to record and then send that recording as an email attachment. Open Cathexis Vision and go to Camera Setup and add a new camera. Select Cathexis Cat Observer as the driver and set the IP address to the loopback IP 127.0.0.1. In a multi-monitor environment, to record monitor 1, use video input 1 and video input 2 for monitor 2. The login and password details would be admin. Clicking Next takes you to the general settings screen where a descriptive name can be assigned to the camera. The software will configure the most appropriate video feed for the computer system, but this can be edited. After clicking Next, the Cat Observer camera will connect to Cathexis Vision, and the Cat Observer camera will appear on the cameras list. Before we can record screen activity, a database is needed to record to. We can select an existing database or create a new one. To create a database, click the Databases option and then right-click on an open area and select New. Give the database a name. And for the purposes of this tutorial, a 20 gig database will be created. Click OK to close the Add Slice screen and again to close the database wizard. Make sure that all real-time file checking is disabled from checking the database. Once closed, the new database will be listed as a resource that can be used. Because Simple Motion Analytics is being used in this tutorial, we need to ensure that there is at least one motion trigger for the camera. Open the Video Analytics screen and create a new instance, or edit an existing Analytics instance. Then, opening the Events and Triggers screen, a new event must be created. Give it a descriptive name such as Email Motion, as well as a description, and also select an appropriate schedule and priority. Click the Trigger tab and trigger using the previously configured motion trigger where there is motion for 2 seconds or more. Then, as the action that occurs when this trigger conditions are met, we will record the screen using Cat Observer. In the Actions tab, click New and Record Camera and select the Cat Observer camera and record to the database that was previously set up. Making sure the correct channel or screen is used, remember channel 1 screen 1, channel 2 screen 2. Configure pre-events to capture the event itself. Opening the Advanced tab allows us to check an appropriate schedule is selected. Click OK to close the camera recording setup screen. We have captured the event with the associated overlays. Now we can send it via email by creating a Send Email action. Click New and select Send Mail. Enter a valid recipient address in the To field and use the available variables to compose a brief email. Click the Attachments tab and click Attach Video from Camera Recorded by Event and choose either Snapshot or Video Clip. In the Advanced tab, select an appropriate schedule and whether to send at the start or end of the event. Clicking OK stores the settings and closes the event screen. The system can now be tested. To test the setup, create some motion in front of the camera. This will be recorded and stored in the database. It can be viewed by opening and playing back the recording. If we then monitor the email address that we configured to send the mail to, we should receive an email with the recording as an attachment. We have configured CAT Observer and send recordings via email. Thank you for watching.